So you're using a VPN to be private, right? But what if I told you that the very tool you're using for privacy could actually be making you a target? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on some really clever tech that lets a VPN wear a digital disguise, making its traffic pretty much invisible. Here's what we've got on tap. First, we'll get into why your VPN isn't as hidden as you think. Then we'll check out the digital camouflage that fixes that, see exactly how it pulls it off, figure out why it's such a perfect hiding spot, and then we'll bring it all home and talk about why this actually matters to you. All right, let's kick things off with the big issue, the visibility problem. You see, even when your data is all locked up and encrypted, the connection itself often screams, "Hey, look over here, I'm a VPN," to anyone who's watching the network. And that really gets to the heart of the matter. You've encrypted your data, which is awesome for privacy. No one can read your stuff. But invisibility? That's a whole different ballgame. And believe me, it is absolutely critical. So, how do these standard VPNs give the game away? Well, it turns out they just weren't built for stealth. Things like OpenVPN and WireGuard, they have this unique digital handshake when they connect. They also tend to use specific well-known ports. And on top of that, the data they send, even though it's encrypted, has a really consistent size and rhythm. All of this, together, creates a super obvious fingerprint that any sophisticated network filter can spot from a mile away. And this detection, it's not just some technical detail. No, it has very real consequences. This is what allows governments to block access to information, what lets your school or office enforce their firewalls, and it's how your internet service provider can slow down or throttle your connection just because they don't like you using a VPN. Okay, so how do you solve a problem like that? Well, you need a much, much better disguise. And that's where ProtonVPN's solution comes in, a technology they call stealth. At its core, stealth is what we call an obfuscation protocol, and its entire job, its only purpose, is to disguise your VPN traffic, to make it look exactly like the most common, most essential type of traffic on the entire internet, regular, secure web browsing, also known as HTTPS. But how does this digital invisibility cloak actually work? Let's pop the hood and take a look. The difference is, well, it's night and day. You see it right here. On one side, you've got your standard VPN with all its obvious patterns and special ports. But on the other, stealth mode completely changes the game. It looks like HTTPS, it uses the standard secure web port, port 443, and it just blends right in with billions of other connections. It's actually a pretty clever two-layer process. Think about it like this. First, your message gets put inside a really secure, super fast envelope. That's your WireGuard protocol. But here's the trick. Instead of mailing that, you take that entire envelope and you stick it inside a completely normal-looking business envelope that, billions of other people are using every single day. That's the TLS tunnel. And this final package, it gets sent through the main post office, port 443, looking just like everything else. So that brings up a really important question. Why HTTPS? What makes disguising VPN traffic as secure web traffic such a genius move? Why is this the absolute perfect hiding place? Well, the answer comes down to this one absolutely massive number, 95%. That's how much of all web traffic is encrypted with HTTPS, the very thing stealth mode is pretending to be. You can't ask for a better way to hide than in the biggest crowd imaginable. In this creates the ultimate headache for any system trying to block VPNs. To find and stop stealth traffic, they would literally have to block almost all secure websites. We're talking online banking, shopping, social media, email, the whole shebang. The collateral damage would be so immense, they'd basically have to shut down the modern internet for their users. It's just not an option. Okay, so the tech is fascinating for sure. But let's bring it back down to earth. Why does having an invisible VPN connection actually matter to you in the real world? The practical benefits here are huge. For people living under heavy censorship, this means getting access to blocked news and social media. Ever been on a school or work network that just blocks everything? Stealth can help you bypass those firewalls. It can also stop your internet provider from slowing your speed just because they see you're using a VPN, and it makes sure you can stay secure on public Wi-Fi, even when the network is actively trying to block protective tools. And it really doesn't get more real than this. This is a quote from a journalist who was depending on this exact technology to get their story out to the world, safely. It's just a powerful reminder that for some people, this isn't about convenience. It's an absolute lifeline for free speech and for their own safety. So we're left with this one final thought. In an age where our digital privacy is constantly under attack, maybe the best defense isn't a stronger wall, but a better disguise. Is the ability to just blend in, to hide in plain sight among all the noise of the everyday internet, is that the ultimate advantage we have? It's definitely something to think about.